Our best fence Bosch system. So our best fence system, best way to get shop accuracy and efficiency out in the field on the job site. Basically contains two 64-inch aluminum fence extrusions, which have a built-in tape measure, one off the left side, one off the right side of your saw, and then a precision stop system. So the stop system, basically you slide this until your indicator line reads right on 0, tighten it down, and then you can chop off just a little piece of your stop wood. That zeroes it out. We have a nice slot in the middle, so if anything comes out of alignment, you can just loosen this top knob, slide it a little bit over, and then chop again to re-zero it. And once you've zeroed it, basically anywhere where you slide the stop to, say I want exactly 2 feet, I line my indicator up on 2 feet, then I can take my board, I butt it up to this, and my cut's gonna give me an exact, precise 2-foot cut every time. So great system. The Bosch system works for this Bosch T4B stand, and I know that Bosch actually has 2 different models of the T4B stand. The difference is easy to tell. One of them, the older one, has 2 round poles coming out as the wings. The newer version has 1 square pole. The system will work for both of them. However, with the newer version, if you have a particularly wide saw, you'll notice that the stand comes with a red bracket bolted on right here. That red bracket is to prevent you from mounting the saw too far over, because this arm will actually raise up and bump into the bottom of the saw mount when you're trying to fold it. So if you have a particularly large saw, you might actually have to lift the saw up just a little bit to get that to slide under it in order to make room to mount your precision adjustment block on the right. So with the Bosch system, what you get is you get your 2 64-inch fences, your precision stop, and you can pick either a standard tape measure with just standard measurements or a standard and metric. And then you can select between whether you want our standard fence that has a lip on the back or our flat fence that you see here that's just flat all the way across, allowing lumber to hang out. Note, if you get a flat fence, each one does come with one of our flat backstops here. So that gives you something to butt up against that's easily and quickly removable. If you don't want it in your way, you just unscrew and it'll pop right out like that, okay? And then with our Bosch system, you're gonna get 2 of our precision adjustment blocks. These go on the inside near the stand. They have a little pin here, so the pin will line up your fence to the exact same spot every time. So when you take the fence off, put it back on, you don't need to re-zero the stop. And then when you're getting it dialed in, these 2 inner guys, they have big adjustment knobs on them. So when you want to move your fence in or out this way, it's just a turn of this knob. And then when you want to raise it up or down, it's just a turn of this knob right here. And you'll easily dial your fence in to perfectly level, plumb, and flush with your saw. Then on the outside 2 wings, what you get is what we call our adapter block. The adapter block is just a plastic piece there that you're going to have to bolt down, screw into the metal part on the outrigger on that Bosch stand. So that is our DeWalt system for Bosch. Fits perfectly with your T4B stand. I note it does come with a carrying bag that'll carry your fences around when you're going job site to job site. Also, if you're getting this system and you want to extend more length on one side, each system comes with one 64-inch fence off each side. That 64-inch fence will give you measurements out to 62 inches. We only go to 62 because we need a little space next to the saw for the stop to be able to read on 0. If you want to add more length, you can check out our Add a Fence kit. It's going to come with everything you need: a fence connector, an upper hand, a tripod, and an extra fence with the tape measure, so you can add another 64 inches off either side like you see here.